Hello my little loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video was just supposed to be an IGTV one, but I really like how the look came out, so I decided to make it into a YouTube video. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little voiceover tutorial today. So I'm starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is the first time I have used this foundation. I took the shade 220N. I liked it, it was nice, but it didn't really provide a lot of coverage around some of my older breakouts. Like you can see it here coming through the skin. Like it didn't provide any coverage for that. So, wasn't like my favourite for coverage, but it looked really nice on the skin. But I just had to grab my Shape Tape and then just go over my little blemishes. And then I'm testing out the new Dose of Colours concealer today. I added way too much. I don't know why, I just went a little bit crazy with it. But this is the shade 10 and these are their new concealers. I was really impressed by these. It was really creamy, gave a nice amount of coverage, and the consistency was like really nice and light. I used it to contour too, but this shade was not a good shade for me. I think it was just way too warm. I'll try it again in a different shade, but this didn't really work out too well. But I just went with it because I just wasn't arsed to change it. And to set all that, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. This is the first time I used this powder as well, and I really liked how this looked. It was nice and light on the skin. It set everything down nicely, so I don't really have any complaints about the powder. Now into the palette. This is the Chai and Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So I start with the shade Chai and I work this into the crease for my transition shade. Absolutely love this shade. Even by itself, it's just such a pretty shade. And just to deepen that up, I'm taking the shade Bybel, which is this like dusty mauvey shade. Here for this shade, absolutely. So I use this in a smaller brush then just to work it in the crease and just add some definition. Now I'm taking a like denser, smaller, fluffier brush and I'm going to spritz some Fix Plus on it to dampen it. And I'm taking the shade Jode and OA and I'm applying these shades all over my lid. I really like the sparkle that came with OA, but the shade Jode, like it was just such an intense colour payoff. So I decided to mix the both of them. And I always like go in with a fluffy brush along the edges just to make sure everything's nicely blended. So then I just use my sponge then to clean up any eyeshadow that's in the wrong areas, so just to make it nice and tidy. Then I take some eyeliner on a little small shader brush and I apply this just lightly along my lash line just for some definition. Then I apply the same on my lower lash line. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury liner for this. And then go in and soften out the edge. And then I take the shade Chai and I just blend that out with that. And then after I've that done, I go in with the same eyeliner and I apply it along my waterline. I go in then and coat my lashes with mascara. The mascara I'm using is from Too Faced. It's their Better Than Sex mascara. And then in with good old trusty Lily lashes. This is the style Ella. And just to finish off the eyes, I'm taking some of the shade Bowley, I think it's called, just to highlight my inner corners. And then going in with my Warm Salt from MAC to add a little bit of colour to my cheeks. Then to finish off my skin, I'm taking my Dior highlight palette and I like to mix these two shades here and then go in and highlight my cheekbones, down my nose, just anywhere I want a nice soft glow. So I recently picked up some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks because I've never tried any of his products. So I picked up Celebrity Skin, which I am using right here, which is actually such a perfect nude. But because I ordered a few, I decided to mix them. So I'm taking the shade Skin Tight, which is this really soft pink. And I'm applying this in the center of the lips just for a little soft ombre, which as you can tell, I like it a lot. So that is it for this video. This palette, these two colors, the Chai and the Bybel, I can't even cope with how well they blended together. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial today. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.